When you read those poems that you know, what do you notice about his style?
This style, well, don't get, I'm reading a translation.
Right.
So what I see in it, I like it. I think it is sensitive and beautiful and fragile. Here's a way of making something painful into something beautiful. And it filled his life to a great extent. But he also but I certainly never had a scent of it. The first time I heard a poem of him about my sister was when he died, and when the poem was read at the funeral. And that was the first time that I heard the poem and heard her talk about in connection with my father. So here was really one of the most important moments of his life, and totally hidden from us.